So, ito yung ating Fisher-Price na Laugh and Learn boombox. Ang ganda nito ha, malaki to. Tapos, super cute. Excellent use condition, minimal sign of usage lang. Battery included. Okay? So, meron siyang ganyan. Then, ito, naiikot to. Kasi ito po ay pwedeng nakahiga sa sahig. So, after playtime, pwedeng ipang-design na sa room. No? Or pwede rin naman nakaganyan. So, bahala na si Bagets or si Mom. Ayan, naiikot siya. Okay? Ayan, so meron siyang 3 learning
Level 1. Let's
modes.
have some fun.
Ayan, level 1.
1.
Counting yan ha.
2.
Ayan, iba-iba yung tunog niya.
3.
Tapos ito nabubuksan to. Ay, pinipindot pala, sorry. Pinipindot pala siya.
Open.
Open.
Close.
Yan, may opposite
Thank you.
din. Yan, tapos ito, naiikot. Yan, ito, naiikot din.
A, B, C. Shout out. A, B, C.
Mapindot kasi na ayos. Yan, shape.
The shape and color
Ito pala ay
of the
ginaganon.
day
Hindi
is
pinipindot. Taas, baba.
yellow triangle.
Yan, yellow triangle.
Shapes
Ayun.
Radio.
Ginaganon
Brought
siya, ha?
to you by Orange
Pinipindot ko
Square.
kasi kanina. Hindi siya pinipindot. Taas, baba yan.
Shapes Radio. The shape and color of the day is red circle.
Tapos ito pinipindot para parang up and down siya eh. Iba-iba yung sounds. So dito tayo sa level 2.
Level
Ay,
2.
meron pa palang ganito.
Let's learn something new.
Naikot siya.
Numbers and counting in French.
Ah, ito,
Français.
French.
4. 4.
Ayun. Dual language. May
Five.
English tapos may French.
5.
Sank. Ayun yung French ng
Six.
5. 6.
7. 7.
Oh, set.
A. A is for amazing.
Yun. May mga basic words.
B.
Mga moms.
B is for boombox.
Boombox.
Circle, circle, red and round.
Lakas nito, mga
Triangle,
mami.
it's yellow. Orange,
Okay,
square,
so,
down, four
working
sides,
well yan, ha?
shapes and
May 3
colours,
modes.
radio.
Patayin ko na kasi sayang yung battery. Okay, minimal sign of usage lang. Working well. Ayan, design yan ha, yung parang lukot-lukot design yun. Ayan, ang ganda.